Everyone. Now we are moving to the second part of the lecture, organic compound containing nitrogen. We will be discussing about various reactions involved. First is the by reduction of nitro compounds, both aliphatic aromatic amine prepared by reduction of the corresponding nitro compound with SN and HCl. RNO2 will be converted to 1 degree amine. Various examples are given. Nitromethane is converted to methylamine. Nitroethane to ethylamine. 1 nitropropane will be converted to N-propylamine. This is one of the most convenient method for the preparation of aromatic amine. Next is by reduction of cyanides and isocyanates. In this reaction, we will see that how cyanides and alkyl cyanide undergo reduction process. RCN on reduction gives 1 degree amine. For example, ethane nitrile converted to ethanamine. Similarly, phenyl cyanide, it is converted to phenyl methanamine. Reduction of nitrile with NaC2H5OH is called Mendius reaction. The reduction of isocyanides under similar condition gives N-methylamine. So various examples are given. How ethyl carbylamine is converted to ethyl methylamine. Similarly, phenyl carbylamine is also converted to N-methylbenzenamine. Synthetic importance: alkyl halide is converted to 1 degree amine. So it is a very good method of preparation of 1 degree amines. Now we are moving to the reduction of oximes. Oxime reduction. So you can see that aldoxime or ketoxime can be converted to 1 degree amine. Various examples have been given, like acetaldoxime is converted to ethylamine. Acetoxime is converted to isopropylamine from amides. Primary amine can be obtained by reduction or by Hofmann-Bromamide reduction. First is by reduction process. Ethanamide on reduction gives ethanamine. So you can see that the amide has been converted to 1 degree amine. This reaction is known as Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Benzamide can also be converted to benzylamine. Next is Hofmann's bromamide reaction. In this Hofmann-Bromamide reaction or Hofmann degradation method, ethanamide, bromine, KOH react with each other to give 1 degree amine, that is CS3NH2 plus K2CO3 plus 2 KBr plus 2 H2O. Similarly, propanamide, benzamide, these all are converted to 1 degree amine. Benzamide can be converted to aniline with the help of Br2 and KOH. So aniline can be prepared by this method. Next is by reductive amination of aldehydes and ketone. In this, aldehyde react with ammonia in excess, which will give you 1 degree amine. Similarly, ketone react with ammonia, gives imine and then 1 degree amine. This is the formation of 1 degree amines. Similarly, acetaldehyde can also react with ammonia to give acetaldimine, and further it will give ethylamine on reduction process. Some other reactions like acetone is reacting with ammonia to give dimethylketamine and then isopropylamine. Gabriel thalamide reaction. It is a very important reaction. Gabriel thalamide. For that, we need to understand the reaction. Thalamide react with alcoholic KOH, formation of potassium thalamide. This potassium thalamide further react with RX, that is alkyl halide, to give N-alkyl thalamide, and later on the product obtained is phthalic acid. As you can see that this is phthalic acid and 1 degree amine is obtained. Further, industrial method of preparation of amine. Industrial method includes from alcohol, where ROH react with NH3 to give RNH2. Physical properties of amine. The lower amine are colorless gases, higher member are colorless liquids. Solubility. Amine are capable of forming hydrogen bonding. As you can see this is the molecular mass and boiling point chart for 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines. Further, we will be trying to understand the basic character of ammonia. This basic character of ammonia will be discussed in part 3 of this lecture. Thank you.